Here's an aerial view. So I'm moving in from the east, heading west along the River Severn. Off the top of my head I can't remember the name of the church on the right, but you can see how deep the gorge is, how deep the gorge is. Very lucky with the weather today. So today I'm at the Iron Bridge, the world's first bridge made entirely from cast iron, opened in 1781. So that's a picture of it originally. What I love is the steelwork, which I'll show you in a second. Steelwork, ironwork, what am I about? So that's the bridge. The roadway, there's a toll bridge, a toll booth on the other side. Just show you the town. Tontine Hotel. Lots of cafes, ice cream shops, pretty shops. So as expected, there's a big gorge here. It's pretty steep up into the village. That's the church. It's a good 30-40 metres above me, and it keeps going up as well. So the first bit down, you come to the stonework. And then let's get a view of the actual ironwork. Conveniently written in Latin.
One of my friends wants to be a lawyer, and she's lucky that she's had this kind of low-level legal assistant job since like school. So she's like seen the kind of like.
Let's get down to the lowest level. Oh, it might be lit at night. I have to come up here later. This is a good view. It's hard to appreciate how revolutionary this was. It was made here in Colebrook Dale, so in this valley. Oh, the sun's gone in. Let's just look at the details here. And the struts that they put in. And how imperfect the cast iron is. It's still here, 250 years later, so there's nothing wrong with it. It just doesn't look as pretty as it does nowadays. I keep wanting to use the word steel work, but it's not, it's cast iron. So some of it looks quite good make. And then I don't know what's up with this one. One thing to remember is this river floods, so it's quite common for the water to come up a lot higher than it is today. I'm filming this in August. There is a pub not far down that's on the riverbank opposite, so it's probably a bit higher than I am now, and the water level's reached to the top of the door. So if you see the houses on the other side, in extreme floods the water comes up to them. So, apart from designing the steelwork, just the cast iron, they have to overly design the bases. Because that was a new thing as well, don't forget. Carrying the weight of this cast iron plus the force of the water when it rises.